Hey everyone! Before we dive in, make sure to check out the link in the description below to try FreshBooks for yourself. Today I'm diving into a comprehensive review of FreshBooks, the cloud accounting software that's been making waves among small business owners. If you're looking to streamline your invoicing, expenses, and time tracking, stick around because I've got all the pros and cons lined up for you. First up, let's talk about the pros. FreshBooks is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for even non-tech savvy business owners to navigate. Setting up your account and getting started is a breeze. One of my favorite features is the invoicing. You can create professional-looking invoices in minutes and even automate follow-ups for late payments. This saves you time and ensures you get paid faster. Plus, FreshBooks allows for customization, so you can add your logo and personalize your invoices. Another big plus is expense tracking. You can snap photos of your receipts and log expenses on the go. Everything is organized in one place, making it easier when tax season rolls around. And let's not forget about time tracking. If you bill clients by the hour, FreshBooks has a built-in timer that you can use to track your time and add it directly to your invoices. Super convenient, right? But like any tool, FreshBooks isn't perfect. Let's touch on a few cons. One of the main drawbacks is the pricing. While FreshBooks offers a lot of features, it can be a bit pricey for very small businesses or freelancers just starting out. They do have different pricing tiers, but it's something to consider. Another con is the lack of advanced accounting features. If your business needs more complex accounting tasks like inventory management or payroll, FreshBooks might not be the best fit. It's more geared towards freelancers and small businesses that need basic accounting functionalities. Lastly, some users have mentioned that the mobile app, while functional, can be a bit limited compared to the desktop version. If you rely heavily on mobile access, this might be a slight inconvenience. So there you have it, the pros and cons of FreshBooks. Overall, it's a fantastic tool for small business owners looking to simplify their accounting processes. It's easy to use, saves time, and helps you stay organized. But it's important to weigh the costs and consider your specific needs before making a decision. I hope this review helps you make an informed choice. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tips for small businesses. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below to try FreshBooks for yourself.